What if I told you that with one prompt, you could create pro-level images for your YouTube channel, videos, or products? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the latest ChatGPT update to generate stunning, scroll-stopping images specifically for your videos. Whether you need custom scenes, characters, backgrounds, thumbnails, or other visuals, this tool makes it easier than ever. No design skills needed. And the wild part? Most video creators still aren't using it like this. Let's get started. Just recently, ChatGPT had a really big update, especially concerning making images. You've probably heard about it. Today, I want to show you some things about it that are really helpful to us, especially when we're making videos. Mostly, I want to concentrate on the types of art it can make, especially for video content creators. Check this out. How about video backgrounds? You know how important they are. You need something interesting that will fit the scene of what the story is about. So, let's try to create a few of these. First of all, what if you wanted to create a custom stylized background for your next story? Let's make one. I asked ChatGPT to create a background for a kid's story set in a fantasy world. I'll click here and see what it gives me. I will warn you, this new feature is very slow compared to other image generators, but I assume that it'll get faster as time goes on. I'll put you on hold until it's completed. Here it is. You could take this same prompt, change it up, and basically create a set for a newsroom or some kind of movie-style backdrop. You get the idea. When you're ready to download it, just click it here. Now let's talk about characters. Now let's make some art for a character or possibly an avatar. For this experiment, I'm going to upload an image of this guy. I'll tell it this. Let's see what I get. So here's the guy as a ninja warrior wearing a uniform, carrying a sword with other ninja weapons. It looks pretty darn good, right? So if you have an idea for a character, upload an image and tell ChatGPT what you want. Make sure to give it the size and other details to make your own characters. Maybe you've created a storybook, for example. Let's try that. Click on this and upload your image. I'll pretend I'm going to use this in a kid's video I'm making. I did not create this image. I got it at Creative Fabrica. This is just an example to demonstrate the method. Here's the image prompt. A boy and a girl walking in a park. Keep the style as close as possible to this image. Let's see what it gives me. Here's the beginning image. And here is the finished image. It is pretty good. The clothing is close, and it did add the park. This would be really nice for a kid's story channel. Next, you could put these images inside a video generator and create a video from it easily. So that was an example making characters using ChatGPT. Now, we'll make infographics in ChatGPT. Maybe you have an educational channel and you need an explainer image to describe the point you're trying to make. Let's make one now. This time, I'm going to try something much more advanced. Here's the prompt. It's about the process of hibernation in bears. Now I'll click here. I'll come back when it's done. And here is our infographic about hibernation. Definitely needs some work. I don't know why it clipped that off. So I'll ask it to center it and to fix that section. But it won't just fix it, it'll redraw it from scratch. It redid it. It is different from that last one and it's better overall, but still cutting off the edges. Maybe it's just too much information to fit on the image. Usually it can make them, but this one just did not work. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So let's make a few thumbnails and some branding images we might need for our channel. So I'll give it this prompt. Let's create a YouTube thumbnail for a channel about teaching English as a second language. Here it is. It's kind of basic, but maybe it's drawing on some of those images for children I was working on earlier. Now you can see, it can make YouTube thumbnails, just be very specific in your prompting description. Next, I want to make a banner for this educational channel. Nope, it did not make a banner. It made another thumbnail, but it does have the same girl. That's interesting. But it completely ignored my size here, and the whole banner thing. Apparently this is not something that we'll be able to get from ChatGPT right now. So as far as YouTube thumbnails go, yes, it can make those. Infographics, it may take a few tries depending on what you're making. Kids illustrations for videos, yes. Taking a picture and converting it into a character, Yes. But at least now you can kind of see, based on my experiments, what ChatGPT can currently make that it couldn't a few months ago. And remember, the ChatGPT account I'm using right now is a free one. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.